Wow, you can see that. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You already know it's your girl Rose. How you doing? Come with me on this unboxing video as I will be unboxing the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Ooh, ooh. Guys, I'm so excited. I don't know if you can tell. Okay, so before I start, as usual, you guys know I'm very lousy with vlogs, and then you need to see me when I'm excited. I forget that I'm supposed to make a video, like a proper unboxing video, and I have already finished tearing out all the wraps and all that before I remembered, oh my goodness, I should make a video. And so I said, anyway, nothing spoil, I will still do. Oh, it has originally been unboxed. As you can see, I have already torn off the wraps and all that, but you can see that. Let's unbox it together.
Don't ever change for anybody. Don't ever trade your soul. Don't even listen to him. He don't know nothing at all. Try not to get too involved, but really it's breaking my heart how you keep changing for him. Never forget who you are. You butterfly. You're a butterfly.
So you can see the iPhone. This is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And I actually got it in silver color. I don't know if that makes any sense. So wow, you can see that this is like a silvery gray color or something like that. So the first thing you will notice, the camera is quite much, gigantus or more pronounced. And then you guys can see I've already set it up and swapped between my two phones, so we can see what it looks like. If I should describe what this looks like, I would say it has a very glassy feel compared to his predecessors. Like you can see, it looks so glassy, then the cameras look so gigantic. Like I literally say it's like holding a machine in your hand. Like it's like holding a machine. So here we have the charger, and if you guys can see, this is it comes in a Type-C port. So you see what the charger looks like, and then the texture, I don't know if you can see, the texture of the charger is different. It's like it has a woven cloth on it or something, and then it's a Type-C mouth. Okay, and then I got a phone casing. If this one fall from your hand, now sorry, so that we can put it in the phone casing. Also, what I love about this, as you know, just like his predecessor, the iPhone 14, we have, I'm gonna click on the camera, and you can see the features, the cinematic for videos. I don't know why this thing is so blurry. The cinematic, we have the slow-mo, we have, so like I won't even lie to you guys, person wey hold this one for hand, you don't even need to buy a fancy camera, because with that cinematic view, like the camera is badass. Like, so I'm so happy to have upgraded to this. So I'm not really a techie person. I can't tell you all this is the features and blah 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 and all that, but like I said, this is just an unboxing video, and I'm so excited to share this with you guys. So you can see it's very smooth as it rolls over. Very, very smooth. It's just like touching glass, really. It's so smooth. Like, this is really nice. Okay guys, then the feature here, you remember that the former iPhone, like the one I'm using to film now, which is my iPhone 12 Pro Max. The feature here, when you want to switch it on silent, you just switch between, but this one you press and you hold to put it on silent, and then you press and hold again to remove it from silent. Then you always have, it has the always on display. So right now, as you can see, I just locked the phone, but it has the always on display, so it's literally always on from the name, so you can always just glance at it without actually pressing it to see like your time or, you know, whatever. So like, this is really cool, guys. But a lot of people argue, you know, what's the essence of upgrading from the iPhone 14 when you have this and all that. But I say go for it. If you get the money, do them. So that's it, guys. Thank you for staying with me on this unboxing video. I'm sorry if I could not be as detailed as I could be, but I'm just excited, like. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, okay? So thank you guys for staying with me on this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.